Hey everybody, this is the bow we're going to create today, and this is called what I call my elaborate bow tie bow. This is with 1.5 inch ribbon. Hello, Ideally Simple Decor. I'm going to show you guys how to make a bow tie bow. This ribbon is, let me see how much I have on this spool. I have 25 feet on this spool, so this is 1.5 inch ribbon. And this bow tie bow is going to be a little bit more elaborate, what I consider to be an elaborate bow tie. So I'm going to take my spool and put it down on the floor so it rolls out and continues to roll off of the spool instead of rolling around the spool, coming up off the top and getting tangled. I'll make a small loop. And you can see obviously that that's the wrong side of the fabric for this bow on this ribbon. So we're going to turn it around and we're going to take at the end of our loop and grab that. And that's going to be our center point in making all our bows. Just keep that in mind. That's our center point, and we're going to grab everything right there in the center area. First set of loops are going to be bigger than the center loop. So take it up 2 fingers width. Do the same thing, twist it so the light sides are together. Grab the bow in the ribbon in the center, and then just do the same thing, 2 finger loop to make sure they're the same height, same length right there. You're gonna make another one the same height as the first one. Okay. Now the second set of loops are going to be 2 fingers up, just like the first set of loops were 2 fingers up from the middle half. Twist your ribbon, bring it up, 2 fingers up. Two fingers up. 2 fingers up. See how I'll have my fingers to hold that loop? Twist that loop, take that finger, put it right on top of it, and hold it. And that's what you keep doing. 1 finger holds and the other one grabs the ribbon so that you can continually twist it and hold it in place. All right, this is gonna be my 3rd set of loops, and it's gonna be 2 fingers out as well. And I'm gonna do 2, just like I did on the other ones. Okay, so you still have that fan type effect, but your loops get 2 the same loop, 2 the same loop, 2 the same loop, and the same thing on the other side. That last one, you want to twist it still, like so. What's convenient for me is to lay it down in my lap, lay it down on the floor, whatever is there for me to use, and then take my zip tie run it through the middle, keep it right in the middle where you've turned every piece. Right there in the center of all that. And just tighten it up. Pull it as tight as you can get it. I find zip ties are much better than using the pipe cleaners or what they call chenelles. I always take my bow and put it between my legs because it's easier for me to hold it that way. You can put it on your item and pull it out if you want to. So this is how we're going to pull it out. We're going to take our first set of loops and pull them in opposite direction. Same with our second set. Pull it in opposite directions till we get to the center loop. Last set of loops, opposite direction, Next set, opposite directions. Next set, opposite directions. We go back to our loops and pull our loops up, just like that. See how they're fanned out? Just leave them just like that. And just pull our loops. Open them up. Open them up. And open them up. And there's our bow tie bow. Take your first set of loops and pull them all the way to the ends. And open them up. How about that? That's a pretty bow. Now this is a nice type of bow to put on top of a gift. And this is great for your wreaths. Great for your garlands. You want to put bows on your garlands? That's a very pretty bow to put on your garlands. A simple bow tie bow is a smaller loop in the center, and 2 loops on the side. Well, 1 loop on the side, on each side. And from there, what you'll do is you'll create tails. And how you create your tails is the end of this, you're gonna take it and double it to the size of the tails you want. So you twist that last little one. I'm gonna take this and put it in here. Hold it, just like that. Put your twist tie in. I'm gonna use a small twist tie this time. It's a different color, but it's gonna work. Put your twist tie in. Excuse me, your zip tie. It's not a twist tie, it's a zip tie. Put it in, come on. And you get small ones up and big ones in Kmart, Walmart, you can go to Lowe's and get them if you want to. Take my scissors and I cut that excess off. Let's get up under there, just like that. Cut my ends and pull them around. And there's my bow tie bow. If this was helpful to you, and I hope that it was, look on the channel for other things that I've done to help you to enhance your holiday season, or just to do things in your house or gifts. Just stay tuned. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.